Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Do you struggle with a simple task like creating a new folder on your computer? Don't worry, a lot of people do. In this video, I'll show you how to create a new folder in just 10 seconds. It's super easy, really fast, and absolutely perfect for beginners. Before we dive in, if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button for GOOICT Academy. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might find it helpful. Alright, are you ready? Let's get started. Just follow these simple steps on the screen. It's as easy as a right click, selecting New, and then clicking Folder. That's it. You've just created a new folder. Now, you can name it whatever you like. See? I told you it was simple. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.